Soak the chicken drumsticks in soy sauce for 2 or 3 days. I believe this is the most delicious way to prepare chicken drumsticks. Perhaps 90% of you have never seen this before. It's more fragrant and delicious than cured meat or braised meat. And the method is also very simple. Remember to like and save this. Today, I went to the market and spent 35 yuan on these 8 chicken drumsticks. Do you think this price is a good deal? Put them all into a large basin. Pour in an appropriate amount of high-proof white liquor. Rub and wash the chicken drumsticks thoroughly. I want to emphasize a key point here. Absolutely do not wash them with water. Using high-proof white liquor to clean them has 2 benefits. Not only can it remove surface bacteria, but it also helps to remove gamey odors and enhance the aroma. After washing, let them marinate for half an hour. Next, add 500 grams of light soy sauce to the pot. Add 50 grams of rock sugar. Then pour in 50 grams of dark soy sauce. This will make the coloring effect of the dark soy sauce particularly good. Then prepare star anise, cinnamon, bay leaves, dried chili peppers, Angelica dahurica, cloves, Sichuan peppercorns, and fennel seeds. These are the key seasonings for removing gamey odors and enhancing flavor. Pour them all into the pot. Bring to a boil over high heat for about 10 minutes. By the way, I share simple and delicious food every day. Could you please give me a little heart for support and encouragement? Thank you all very much. Once the flavor of the spices has been fully extracted, you can set it aside to cool. After it is cooled completely, pour it all over the chicken legs. Remember this, the sauce must be completely cooled before pouring. If we pour hot sauce in, the marinated chicken legs will spoil easily. Then spread the sauce evenly. Find a large plate and cover the chicken legs with it. Make sure every piece of meat is submerged in the marinade. Then seal the bowl with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator to marinate for 2 days. After 1 day of refrigeration, we move the chicken legs from the bottom to the top so that the chicken legs can be marinated more thoroughly. Then cover it with the plate again, seal it with plastic wrap, and continue to marinate for another day. Once the time is up, we use cotton string to tie the base of the chicken legs. After tying them up, we can place them under the sun and let them air dry naturally for 2 days. Then spray some white liquor or white vinegar on the surface. This will prevent insects and flies from landing on them. This is also the key to making cured meat and bacon in the summer. This method is really useful. You can try it next time. This is also the key to making cured meat and bacon in the summer. This method is really useful. You can try it next time. All right. Our chicken legs have been drying for 2 days now.